Today, a slogan writing activity was organized inside the premises of Saint Soldier Divine Public School, Khambra. The subject of this activity was to save birds and humans from Chinese threat. Students of 6th onwards classes made different slogans. They appealed to the society to avoid purchasing Chinese manja as it is dangerous for birds flying in the sky or even people moving on roads by two-wheelers or on foot. Principal Rupinder Kaur guided the students against the accidents that are happening in the past due to Chinese threat. She guided the students to be safe and save birds and the humans. All the students took pledge not to use Chinese thread while flying kites.